Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I have a quick review of this Komfortology corner and edge guide. So this is basically mainly to prevent kids from running their heads into like countertops and stuff like that. But my dog just happens to lay underneath my desk all the time and lay her chin on this right here. So I wanted to fix that for her so she's not constantly laying her chin on a very hard metal surface. So let's go ahead and attach this here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this where I need to. And then I'm gonna cut an identical piece for the other side. That's the same length. And then from there, this kit comes with some 3M double-sided tape. So find the start point there. And I'm actually going to go ahead and place this on the inside of this right here, because I'll get it stuck to here and then I can go ahead and peel off that top layer. It's pretty sticky. Okay, so right there, go ahead and cut it. And now the hardest part on all double-sided tape is trying to get that top layer off. So let's see if I can do that really quickly. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and stick this right there. So that 3M tape, you definitely want to make sure you get it nice and secure. And honestly, you could put it on both sides of this so that it sticks to the side and the top. Now, don't forget this kit also comes with some corner guards, which I don't need, and the corner guards already have tape applied to them, but this should be plenty for me to go ahead and put one more over here. And now my dog is gonna have a lot more comfy of a time putting her chin on this right here, and it'll make me happy as well. So definitely check it out, guys.